everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to get new filters on Instagram stories. So let's get started. Launch Instagram, go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now we should tap on the plus icon at the top right corner here, then tap on story and then select camera at the left side. Now, as you can see here is some different effects. We just swipe from right to left all time. Just swipe. And here you will see browse effects. Tap on this browse effects. And here you will see all Instagram new and oldest filters. As you can see here is it. Just as you can see at the top, you can swipe hold finger and swipe from right to left and find any available Instagram filters for now on Instagram app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.